Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon. I got my chance. And as all of you see, all of you are seeing, these are bottles. Actually, the color is not bright. That's why they look green, but they are blue actually. You know why this bottle is blue?
It's not blue, it's colorless.
No, it's colorless.
But there is some blue. But some
Collectively it's blue.
because
Maybe it's the reflection of sky.
Yeah.
okay,
Due to the effect.
because it is clean water. Because it is clean water. And next one, these are some pictures of rivers. These are polluted rivers. Actually, the color is not. Sorry. These are this is polluted water. This is a river's water, and this is oily water, and this is water with some dead bodies. This is polluted. This is polluted water. Oh, it's not.
We'll assume we are.
Friends, I am going to talking about the water pollution. Actually, first question is what is the water pollution? Listen me carefully. If I drop ink in it, only a drop in it, will it be blue? If I drop only one, if it is full, then I drop a drop in it, then it will blue. If I fill it half ink and half ink and half water, then what is the color of bottle? Then after that, that's blue. Same thing with the water pollution. Our water is always polluted, but you know, in some amount, it's a very little. But after the 19th century, after the industrial revolution, we made more pollutants. The definition of the water pollution is this. I don't know what is this. You can see that there is a river, and comes from the three ways. We are dumping something here. We are dumping something here, and some boys are bathing in it. So now you can understand how we how we are polluting our river. These are the sources of the water pollution. Untreated sewage. Untreated sewage means what? It is actually domestic sewage. We make brush. We brush our teeth and we take bath and shampoo our hairs. After that, there is a lot of detergent came out. After that, lot of detergent came out, and that directly mixed with the water of the river. And next one is agriculture runoff. Our farmers use many chemical and pesticides in their fields. When the rain come, and all the chemicals and the pesticide mix with the river. After that, the river get pollution. And the next one is the chemical waste. The chemical waste means the industry making many products. We need many chemical. So they dump their chemical also. You see there, every industry is located on the bank of river. Everyone knows this, I think. And they dump their whole waste into the river. And the urban runoff, in Delhi, there is a sewage system, and all we dump in the Yamuna river. And the last one is radioactive and plastic. We are using most of things made of plastic, and near the nuclear power plants, there we dispose our radioactive in the rivers. Can you imagine the life without water? But we are still polluting it. We are still polluting. Why? We have, I know, we have a life, what we want. Can you live with the pollution? Can you live with the wastes? Can you live with the more of we don't live with the pollution. So guys, we need to do something for it. First, save the water, use the clean water, and turn off your taps. Thank you, friends.